Hello and welcome back to lesson 12. The past simple: worked, got, went, etc. Okay, before we start, let's tell the time. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3:30. What time is it? It's 5:30. What time is it? It's 3:15. What time is it? It's 4:45. What time is it? It's 4:20. What time is it? It's 4:22. What time is it? It's 2:10. What time is it? It's 4:55. Good. Let's get started then. So the past simple. So the past simple is very, very similar to the present simple. It works in the same way. So we've just done the past simple of the verb to be. So am, is, are becomes was, were. And here we're doing the past simple of all the other verbs. So Shakespeare, to be or not to be. So, they watch television every evening. So this is the present simple. Sempre vero. They watched television yesterday evening. The past simple. Un momento nel passato. So, watched is the past simple. So, I watched, we watched, you watched, they watched, he watched, she watched, it watched. Okay, so the past simple is often ed, so adding ed. These are for regular verbs. So, work, worked. Clean, cleaned. Start, started. Stay, stayed. Arrive, arrived. Dance, danced. I clean my teeth every morning. This morning I cleaned my teeth. Mary worked in a bank from 2005 to 2010. Yesterday it rained all morning. It stopped at lunchtime. We enjoyed the party last night. We danced a lot and talked to a lot of people. The party finished at midnight. And then we have some spelling. Quindi quando l'ultima lettera è un Y e la penultima lettera è un consonante, si toglie Y, si mette I normale e D. So, for example, try, tried. Study, studied. Copy, copied. Però se guardi play, che anche questo finisce con Y, però la penultima lettera è un vocale, quindi si aggiunge solamente ed. Play, played. Poi, di solito, quando l'ultima lettera è un consonante e la penultima lettera è un vocale, si raddoppia l'ultima lettera. Tipo, stop, stopped. Planned, planned. Good. That's easy. However, we do have irregular verbs in English. Okay? So, verbs are sometimes irregular. This means that they do not finish with ed. Ok? Quindi questi sono quelli che noi chiamiamo i verbi regolari, però ci sono anche quelli irregolari. Vuol dire che non finiscono con ed. Okay, questi sono un po' di esempi. Magari ripeti dopo di me. So, begin, began. Break, broke. Bring, brought. Build, built. Buy, bought. Catch, caught. Come, came. Do, did. Drink, drank. Eat, ate. Fall, fell. Find, found. Fly, flew. Forget, forgot. Get, got. Give, gave. Go, went. Have, had. Hear, heard. Know, knew. Leave, left. Lose, lost. Make, made. Meet, met. Pay, paid. Put, put. Read, read. Ring, rang. Say, said. See, saw. Sell, sold. Sit, sat. Sleep, slept. Speak, spoke. Stand, stood. Take, took. Tell, told. Think, thought. Win, won. Write, wrote. E poi ci sono anche le altre. I usually get up early, but this morning I got up at 9:30. We did a lot of work yesterday. Mary went to the cinema 3 times last week. Billy came into the room, took off his coat and sat down. Good.